Yeah, family. So we actually, finished with Lukman, finished eat some food, have some baobab with me. I'm gonna bring this back to Kenya. Yeah, family. So if you wanna go, we're gonna go to the market. See if we can get some dera. Right? That's what you call it, dera.
Dera, yeah.
Dera.
And souvenir.
And souvenir.
What happened?
Let's go. We're gonna take you along with us while we go to the market. So let's go. Look at this old car.
Guys.
Old buggy.
We require you for it tonight.
Hey family, so this is Zanzibar. Oh, look at all those grapes. So you put it?
Yeah. Then I walk so much
Yeah.
I don't have to struggle with holding and stuff.
I see one that lady have looked so nice.
Look at
The lady that passed us. With some grapes. So we should get some grapes really.
them Mungu making a perfect or
Yeah, Muzulu, yeah.
habari ya leo. Salama. Shilingi ngapi grapes?
Hapo kuna 1,000, 2,000.
It's for 1,000, 2,000.
Okay. Hey, we're gonna pass back. We're gonna buy that. We'll come back.
I just don't see it.
I think we have a lot of things.
There's a lot of our place.
Yeah, because you know what I mean.
And then it's here walking.
Yeah, so I don't really want
Backpackers everywhere.
backpackers, Stone Town.
They're taking from one hostel to another.
So family, it's a good look walk to the market. I think we turn which side, sweetie? You remember?
No, it's not.
Yeah. You remember where to turn? Huh? You can turn this side.
Yeah, we are going this way.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, here.
Yeah.
I wanted to see that my
That
landmark.
side. That's a landmark.
Yeah.
Yeah, family, so we're heading to the market. And this is actually Store Town. Stone Town for you.
No, you can't even go.
Eh?
Because you're carrying baobab.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zanzibar, Stone Town.
Questo pesce dell'acqua dolce. Sono molto
Maize. Think it up that side.
Yeah. Imagine somebody walking so close like.
Tanzania is not like it's not like that.
No, I know it's not like
When you
that.
find
but
one, you might still find one. You know what I mean?
We don't like that one person. So.
Yeah.
And also, I cannot trust somebody walking so close behind and then you're waiting for me to pass.
That's a spice shop. They have all kind of spice there. Yeah, I think This one is nice. This one right there. No, that one's sweet. That one is look. That one looks brown. Yeah, that one. It's nice sweet. I watch the blackness.
3,500.
Okay. 3,500. Yeah. Which one is the better one?
Which one? They're small though.
You want a bigger one? Yeah, this one is fine. 2,000. $5,000.
So that's how I was telling you, we give them money. We are about to find.
In some ways, we still have to make change.
Yeah.
Twende. It's the quarrel.
Sometimes you can not even know because they talk so quick, so. This one, 2,000.
What is one?
1,000. 500. 1,000.
Discount is 5,000.
How much bunch you get for 2,000?
Just one. Si bunch moja tu.
Yaani ukichukua tatu na kufanyia 5,000.
And it takes 3 kids to 5,000.
Oh, so 2 is how much?
2.
Yeah.
You have to pay 4,000.
Oh, so one bunch is for 2.
One bunch is 2,000.
Ah. And that one is 5,000. So what's the difference?
1,000.
1,000.
500, 1,000.
Let me get the one for 1,000. 1,000 bunch. This one. I'll take the one for 2,000. I give me the one for 2,000. I get 2 1,000 bunch. What do you think?
No, it's fine. Get this.
No, the 2 1,000 bunch is better.
2,000, one bunch.
2 bunch for 1,000.
I
Two
take
of
2 bunches
this.
for.
Because this one of this is for 2,000. You know.
So you want that one?
2.
Alright.
2 of that one. So you can have one too, right?
Okay.
So let me get 2 of this one. Let's pick the best one. Yeah, you get more.
Not really, no.
Yes, of course. Yeah. So you see how they dress, you can tell. Maybe I can withdraw from the phone or something. I think there's a place there. M-Pesa. Let me withdraw from the phone, sweetie, right? I like that place there, I withdraw. Sure.
Was way down on.
No, I'm telling you, there's one up there, sweetie.
Where?
Well, let me go and use the phone then. Come. Watch your step.
I am.
This place where it says M-Pesa.
Yeah, you see it.
Tigo Pay.
Oh, that's to go person.
It's not the same thing, sweetie.
How can you see the same thing?
For this Tanzania, sure. Hello, talking to sweetie.
It's not nice.
It's not nice. Of course it's nice. You don't like it. Alright, what about the red one there? Just ask the price. Just ask the price now.
No, when you ask, you have to buy it.
I mean, you have to buy it. Just ask him all these things.
We are going to
Eh?
We are going to go to the other market.
How much? I see, I'll come back and get one, right? I guess
What am I watching? Guys. Oh, here, don't look. Guys.
Why are these shirts for me?
People don't.
Look at that small shirt. They like it. Which one? Not too big for him.
I know it's too big.
Small, medium, large.
We're trying to get something for baby Amesh. That's our mama. See, I want to buy one of those shirts, one of those jerseys. So how much? 20? Eh? Which one? That one? Well, it's very thin. That, so see, what are all of these shirts? Which one you like? Which color? The Tanzania shirt, the Zanzibar shirt. So I'll take maybe the yellow one. Eh?
The one that has white and blue.
Ah, yeah, that one is nice too. What about the blue and yellow, sweetie? I like the blue and yellow. That one. You like this one?
Either this or this. This one.
Maybe this one.
Which one? Another blue one. Shilingi ngapi? 22.
But up there says expensive.
2,000. Up there was 25.
Oh yeah.
Where's the money at 20?
Yeah?
20,000.
Okay, I'll take it. What size is this? Oh yeah, that's perfect. Yeah.
Yeah. We put it on top. Why don't you put it over what you have? It's nice? No, it's nice. It's your size.
Family, so we try to get in a Tanzania jersey. Sweetie, ask me where you can find the dera them. You want to buy it tomorrow? Or?
Mostly I'll buy that.
Eh? Oh, blue. You don't like blue, sweetie? Huh?
Because you have a Rwanda blue, me I don't like blue.
What do you like?
Me napenda white, yellow, anything.
Yeah. I'll give you this one for 18. Oh, black. The black is not nice.
I don't like it.
Also, they have other jersey there. There's other jersey too.
Well, if you put on it, then it's fine.
Alright, let's go. Oh, these are what? Meso. That guy.
Yes, I'll get elsewhere.
Eh? Yeah, family. So we get a Tanzania, Zanzibar and Tanzania. So that's it. That's it for me. My souvenirs.
So you go, that is
Checking it. Okay, family. So walking through the market.
Nano.
Oh, see, it's like everything too. So, yeah. Tanzania. Look at that one over there, see. Look at that one. Look. Yeah, that end one there. No, that's too small, sweetie, you sure? Okay. Oh, this is bright and nice. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's fine for him, sweetie. You give me the bag now, I can skip out. Yeah, Sweet, what we'll do, we'll just walk up and go to the Upster ATM. Right? It's not far, we could have seen from where I stand. Oh. Yeah. That one is very nice. Yeah. That one, that yellow one. Yeah, it's very thick. You can't see through this Muslim thing, you know. This Muslim thing. Okay, no.
Ofa. Karibuni dukani kwetu tunapunguza bei ya kanga kubwa kwa jumla na rejareja. Karibuni nyote. Ofa. Karibuni dukani kwetu tunapunguza bei ya kanga kubwa kwa jumla na rejareja. Karibuni nyote. Ofa. Karibuni dukani kwetu tunapunguza
I like this one too, you don't like it?
kwa jumla na rejareja. Karibuni nyote. Ofa.
Even this one I like it.
She's selling 18,000.
18,000.
Ofa. Karibuni dukani kwetu tunapunguza bei ya kanga kubwa kwa jumla na rejareja. Karibuni nyote.
How much you have there? Let me check and see. I have to go with this one.
Karibuni dukani kwetu tunapunguza bei ya kanga kubwa kwa jumla na rejareja. Karibuni nyote. Ofa. Karibuni dukani kwetu tunapunguza bei ya kanga kubwa kwa jumla na rejareja.
Yeah, family, so I fall in love with this shirt. Yeah, even this one is nice.
Yeah.
This one. I like this one. Yeah, this one is nice. Wow. I like the neck. I like how the neck is.
Maybe you can try it. It doesn't look big.
You can this one. No, that's the trans.
I try. Hata naweza tuva juu ya hii.
See, how much you must have?
Shilingi ngapi? 27. Si utanifanyia discount. Tuongea atako sana. I'm telling you, you talk.
You accept card? So we're actually in Tanzania walking through the market and we find some clothes made in India. It's actually the first time I'm seeing clothes made in India and I'm impressed by the quality of the clothes. I'm so impressed, and so I'm gonna actually buy a few shirts, clothes that made in India. So everything here is made in India?
Yeah, I'm seeing that. Look at it.
Yeah. What about the pants? The pants are very small for me. Look at this pants for Amish, sweetie. Eh? Yeah, look at this pants for Amish.
Wow. Banana. Wow. It's nice.
Family, so we finished shopping and we're gonna take a tuk-tuk back to the hotel, family. So we're gonna take a tuk-tuk. Tuk is right there. So let's go. Tell them to want to stop to buy water. That water. That water. Oh, they sell it right there?
How much did you pay? 4,000 when you were telling me.
Oh, 4,000.
And now he told me it's 5,000. 4,000. Yeah, it's 5,000. Maybe 4,000 when we came.
Yeah, family. So as you can see, tuk-tuk there is very clean. This is a tuk-tuk tour. It's very clean in Zanzibar. And as you can see, we're gonna get some water right now. Zanzibar drop. Zanzibar drop make you hop.
Make you drop.
The tuk-tuk guy go to get some water for us.
As he takes us home.
Take us home to back to the hotel. But it was a very good. Thank you. So this is the water.
Thank you so much.
Drop Zanzibar. Nice water, good water, water, man-made water from the spring. I tell you things that you see don't really make no sense that you don't like and things.
So you never selected.
No, but at least you can see a bunch of things to choose from. But I mean, if you buy something expensive, sweetie, and you don't like. Yeah. Yeah, family, this is a tuk-tuk ride home. Zanzibar. We are par down a Zanzibar. We not no car, but we are par. We not a tuk-tuk. We not have to look tuk-tuk. We are par down a Zanzibar. We are pardon as Zanzibar. We are pardon as Zanzibar. We are pardon as Zanzibar. This is not tuk-tuk, but we are look. Yeah, because clothes is very cheap. Yeah, even that, yeah. Yeah. Wow. See, I feel like we're gonna do a live when we get in, right? Yeah, look at here. Yeah. But that's the thing, I think Tanzania ban all of these imported matuba crap. And that's the thing too, you haven't seen any, because why? If they can ban bolt and blood clot, ban bolt and uber, but you expect, you're not going to ban no blood clot matuba. All of these things you need to talk about on the live stream. Yeah, made in Tanzania. Yeah. mango trees, you know, mango trees. Yeah, right there. Yeah, family, so we're back at the hotel. At Hotel Vad. Hotel Vad. There is the sun. Yeah, family, so we're back at the hotel, Hotel Vad. It feels like my yard. Just come back from shopping. It was a good. Oh, you enjoyed the shopping?
Yeah. I love this.
I love this.
I like how
What you love about it?
I love the clothes, the material, because all in Kenya.
Yeah.
Because unless you go to the mall and now, of course, buy the expensive clothes that are,
Wow.
of course, from overseas.
Yeah,
companies.
yeah.
But here, imagine in a simple market, but the clothes
You
are
can
so
find
nice.
like new clothes, brand new with
But
tags,
in the market, when you
good
go,
material.
very nice.
Wow. And in Kenya, when you go inside the market, it's very flimsy clothes, you see, and matumba.
If you get a new clothes from the market,
Yeah.
very flimsy.
Yeah,
Either the thread is coming off,
yeah,
and then the material is very light,
yeah,
or you buy mitumba.
yeah.
And in this case, if you told you where to put on mitumba, it's not because you want, but the mitumba at least has nice material.
Yeah.
It doesn't
But it's
matter
very
if
washed
old,
out.
But it's very washed out. But now you prefer that than the new one that
Yeah.
is flimsy.
Yeah.
And then when you go on the road, you find like 20 people with them.
Wow.
Different clothes.
Yeah, family. So I think we got to do a live stream, it's an honest review of Tanzania. So look out for that live, family. You watch it and check it out. But as we're back inside the hotel, and this is what it looks like. It's an evening time, and as you can see, our room is just right at the entrance. Yeah. So let's go. The key right is in the side here. Small one.
Verde.
I think it's open. Yeah, guys, so we're back in the hotel. Like, share, and comment the video. Turn on the light. Yes. Like, share, and comment. Let us know if you like this vlog. Jam Tours Africa. Peace, love, one love, Jamaica. Million views on this one.